Welcome to another exciting edition of Zelmo's Customs. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe button. The more likes and followers, the more I can do on the platform. It has arrived, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the new season of Zelmo's Customs. I'm your host, Zelmo Brooks. This is what's been going on. That is an R179 subway car. Fully customized. Only thing I didn't do was put lights inside. I said this again. Fully customized by me. Train done by 3D Express. So I feel like it's a good job. Very good job. I mean, with the exception of some minor detailing and blemishes, but other than that, there's nothing wrong with this train. Look at this train car. Look how beautiful it looks. Let's push it back a little bit, guys. Fits perfectly to your station. I didn't add the lights to it yet. I'm gonna open it up and put the lights in it. Small 142 subway car. We're gonna take a tour of this subway station. A grand tour. We got the number 2, 6, and 7 trains that runs here. R62 sitting in the background back there. And I got these sitting in the wing, waiting to be constructed and done. This platform, the station, is basically my version of what I wanted to create. So this is Broadway Station, as you can see. Go up. Wow. Amazing, isn't it? Just to look through. We got an elevator that's going to bring you upstairs. I got to finish the graphics on the elevator, guys. I apologize for that. And I gotta finish that elevator graphics over there too. Let's give you a clear view. There you have it. This station was built by me, conducted by me. 2 platforms with the help of 3D Express. So to bring you up. You got your token booth, which I love in the background. But it also brings you upstairs. But upstairs is the bus depot. You got Jersey Transit Express, 87 TMC RTS, a GMC Blitz, Beeline's Nabby, a New Jersey Transit XD40 without the extended extended wings on the top. BIA Orion 5 in the back, 1990 TMC RTS. It's just the look of the street. I gotta paint the streets black. The different signs. It gives you a New York feel, you know? It gives you that New York feel. And to walk, to know there's an elevator here. I gotta cut a hole there. That's coming soon. With the bridge. It has HOV lane in the middle. But this is talk of the hour. This R179 subway car. This R142 subway car. See you next time, guys.